You're not going to believe this. I just thrown that trash bag away right there, and I see this purple suitcase. I'm like, I sold that purple suitcase last weekend to a guy, another vendor. And you look up, and there it is. Sitting right on the top. 30 bucks I sold this thing for. Still got the tags on and everything. So, I guess I'll take that back in and sell it again. It's got a dent. No, it doesn't have a dent in it. It's like brand new. Needs to be wiped off. It's just got some water on it, but shit. Best dumpster dive I've been find yet. Yeah, so I can't believe this. It's online. This thing is $90. It was literally in the dumpster. It's not the same one. Garrett just confirmed this is not the one Target carries, so it's not even the one we had. But if you look right here on Bricksheet, it says $89.99. Now it does say it's a Target item, so, but it is definitely different. It's a slightly different color, so we're gonna put 30 bucks on it. If you want to make a $30 tag, we'll stick that on there. Some cash money, and then this is the current setup. Pretty much had this all laid out, you know, in a day. Last Sunday we did a lot of shelving, and then we had the tables here, and then I just cut little like 5 to 6 inch strips of plywood, screwed them together to make like a rummage bin. So we had a really good rush earlier, but things are slowing down now. This is looking out. Yeah, we just got it. It's regular. You look it up. It's $79.99 for that thing. They're expensive.
Yeah, don't put it in the box. Put it up top. You gotta add it up.
Yeah, it's alright. We'll get it squared away. Double check the handle. I didn't check the handle yet.
This one?
The other one. Just make sure that pops out.
Bam.
Brand new.
Just read it up.
Can't beat that, right? I told you we price stuff to sell around here.
Oh, yes, thank you.
Thank you so much. You're good?
Yes, no. Oh, my goodness. And they got the hard bag. I want the hard bag.
Yep. Yeah, that's perfect for traveling.
I just came back from Atlanta, tell you.
That would have been
Perfect. That's perfect.
I mean, we gotta be wiped off. Probably got a little from, you know, stores, bringing it around. Can you grab that tag? She bought it. We're gonna grab her.
Oh, yeah.
Sold it. Awesome. Hey, you put all your stuff in there.
I know.
Like, what you shot? Best function job ever. Just sold it for 30.